Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Biscoff truffles. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients, including a package of Biscoff cookies and some cream cheese. Next, we'll crush those cookies into fine crumbs, which forms the base of our delightful truffles. Then, we'll combine everything to create a smooth, workable mixture. Finally, we'll chill the mixture to prepare it for shaping. Once your Biscoff cookies are finely crushed, it's time to combine them with softened cream cheese. For an extra burst of that signature Biscoff flavor, you can also add a spoonful or two of Biscoff spread to the mixture. Mix everything together thoroughly until you achieve a uniform, smooth dough. This step is crucial for the truffle's texture. After mixing, refrigerate the mixture for at least 1 hour. This firming process makes shaping much easier. Now for the fun part, shaping your truffles. Take the chilled mixture and roll it into small, 1-inch diameter balls. Aim for consistency and size for a professional look. Next, prepare your coating. You can melt white chocolate or even more Biscoff spread for this. Carefully dip each truffle into the melted coating, ensuring it's fully covered. Let any excess drip off before placing them on parchment paper to set. To add a final touch, consider decorating your truffles. A drizzle of contrasting chocolate like dark chocolate over a white chocolate coating looks fantastic. You can also sprinkle them with a few extra Biscoff crumbs or a pinch of sea salt for an elevated flavor. Once decorated, refrigerate your finished truffles until they are completely firm. Serve them chilled to enjoy their rich, creamy texture and irresistible Biscoff taste. Enjoy your homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.